Hello guys, I'm back again. See, I managed to fix it from that previous diagram where there were no times 10 times 10 times 10 on the top. So I managed to write them here, guys. You can see them so that you don't make any mistakes or you don't forget to write these things when you are in the exams or in writing class test or maybe attempting any question in your workbook, right? So the first example says convert 5902 from millimeter to meters. So we go back to our diagram. They say from millimeter, this is millimeter, to meters, this is meters, right? So from millimeter, we have, we divide by 10, we divide by 10, we divide by 10. So we have to divide by 10 10 10. So in overall, we just say we divide by 1000, right? So it means from millimeter to meters we have to divide by 1000, right? So now let's start solving. So it's sorry guys, it's 5902 divided by 1000, right? Then you're gonna get 5000 5.902, right guys? So someone can also ask me a question, how did you get 5.902? Well, basically it's just that simple. You just say it's 3 zeros, right? It's 3 zeros, you can see, right? It's 1000 from that diagram. You can just, this is a little trick that will always help you when you are dealing with conversion of units. You can just say, if you don't want to use a calculator, you just say it's 3 zeros, right? You say 1 2 3, right? So you can see it's from this diagram that I was showing you, it's 1 2 3, right? So it's 1 2 3. That's why you get 5.902. Let's write our meter so that we don't get a wrong answer, so that we don't get marked wrong for not writing the unit meters, right? And then someone can just say, I don't want to write it this way, I want to write it in terms of exponents. So it's still okay, you can just say, or for someone who doesn't want to solve it this way, you can just say 5902 multiplied by 10 negative 3, right? All right guys, good. Because it's what is from a smaller unit to a bigger unit, that means you divide. This is just simply division, right guys? This is just simply division. It's like when you are solving for an exponent or something like that. This minus 3, someone can just say, where did this minus 3 come from? It's just like this, it's just like 1 over 10 to the exponent 3, right? Then when you convert it, it's just 10 to the exponent negative 3, right? Or 1 over x to the exponent 2, it's just the same thing as x minus 2, right? So it's just one and the same thing, right? And then from there, someone, let me just try to simplify it further. Take it here, just say 1 over, it's 10 to the exponent 3, right? You can just say yeah, it's just 1000, sorry, just 1000. Let me not just go further and not complicate on things, right? Because this is not mathematics, this is chemistry, guys. So it's just the same thing as this one, right? So you can see from here we have 3 tens, 10 So 10 10 10, right? So the same thing here, same thing here. This is how we got to this point. How did we get this thing? It's just this, because just division. It's 5902 divided by 10 to the exponent 3, just the same thing, right?